Alright, today's video is going to be something I don't ordinarily do, but it is one of my hobbies. That is cleaning up an old fish tank. Now, I paid 60 bucks for the stand. The tank came free. There's a couple of things wrong with it. One, there's a whole lot of calcium buildup. The other thing is the center brace is missing, but that's okay. So what this video is going to be about is getting rid of the calcium buildup, and I'm doing something that's probably not in the ordinary because most people use vinegar or some other substance. I'm going to do this with two variations of Barkeeper's Friend. It has oxalic acid, which will help dissolve the calcium that's in there. This is a soft scrub. This one has a little bit of abrasive in it. We're going to do both and see how it comes out. So I'm going to get started. I am going to use a green scrub pad for this. So what I'm going to do is tip this down, and you may recognize these 6x6s. I use these when I'm supporting a boat to do something underneath of them. You can look at one of these videos. Let's tip some of that water out. Alright, I'm going to start with the traditional Barkeeper's Friend. Sprinkle some in there. And use the green scrub pad. Going to get the bottom as long as I'm in here. Not part of the test or the comparison. So I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. Let the oxalic acid, I think I'm pronouncing that right, set in and take effect, do its thing. Scrub it one more time and rinse it out. Alright, one last scrub in the problem areas, then we're going to rinse it out. So far it looks pretty good. This is actually on the outside, and but the inside is looking pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, so that's the back side. We did that with Barkeeper's Friend. I'm going to do the front side, and I can tell the difference because of the holes where the one person removed the centerpiece at. Here's the front. We're going to do that with the soft scrub version of it. Let me give it a quick rinse. And here's the soft scrub version. It still has the acid compound in it. And maybe I should have shook it. Nah, it still comes out nasty. Look. So oxalic acid is a little bit higher on the acid scale than acetic acid, so a little bit stronger than vinegar. A lot of it depends on concentration, which I don't know what the concentration is on this, but it does seem to be doing the job. It also works really well in removing stains on gel coat, so keep that in mind. All right, we'll let that set for a few minutes. Let the acid do its thing. All right, so it's done. The real test is going to be when it dries. Because it's wet, even if there's any of that stuff left, it would be hidden. So we're going to let it dry and see how the barkeeper's friend did in terms of getting that old calcium and corrosion off. Let's see. All right, so it's dry. This is the front. We did this with the soft scrub. And for all practical purposes, all of that calcification's gone. So the soft scrub worked just as well. The traditional barkeeper's frame, which has a little bit of abrasives in it, also did well. Actually did really good. I kind of think it does a little bit better. This isn't all the tank and there is some scratches, so it's not going to take care of that, but all of the calcification is gone. And one of the things I'll be doing, since the cross brace is missing, I've ordered a replacement top bracket, and I'll be replacing that in another video, showing you the easiest way to do it, actually. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit share, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.